You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
How are you?
Not bad. How's it going? What's this thing? This little.
Yeah, it hops on a truck for spotting deer and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Hardwired.
Oh, it's hardwired? Okay. Any other military stuff?
That's all I got right now.
Oh, okay. How much are these?
$1.
$1? I'll do that. I'll get those from you.
You need change?
I don't think I have any dollars.
So what, 14?
Just 4.
4.
Yeah. I'll give you 14 if you want.
You're green.
Nah, it's early.
It is early.
I definitely didn't want to wake up.
No. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Well, hopefully it's busy.
I hope so.
Yeah, take it easy. At this sale, I missed out on 2 items that would have brought really good profit. I missed out on these golf clubs and this ice cream maker. What the frick was I thinking? How much are these?
Hello. 10?
10?
They're brand new. He didn't even use them.
Got dirty somehow.
Yeah, just one
Still
time.
in good condition.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get these shoes from you. What about that Hello Kitty TV? Do you have the remote for that?
The Hello Kitty, no.
No? Okay.
No.
Yeah, I'll get these from you. Alright, so here I am a couple sales later, and I fricked up again. I should have picked up that Hello Kitty TV. It sells for pretty good money. And I could have made some money on that Toshiba CRT with the DVD player. Honestly, I was being kind of lazy and didn't want to deal with the bulkiness of either one. Roast me in the comments. Hey. Hi. Lots of guns. much is this?
$5.
This one?
Right?
I'll give you 5 for that one.
Okay.
Would you do 2 for that one?
Give me 3.
3? Let me find. I owe you $1.
Okay.
Just gotta find $1.
You gonna
There you
rain?
go.
Okay.
Hopefully not. Yeah, hopefully
Okay.
it just looks bad and not pour down.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Take it easy. Thank you. Hi. Oh, you're good. Hey, you. Hi.
Got a hockey stick, bud. Hockey stick, $50.
50 bucks.
Made in Canada.
I don't know nothing about that.
My little angel. ¿Este? Ah, está atorado,
Is this in there?
I think so. Yeah, it's. I don't think I ever opened it.
Okay.
You can check.
How much is it?
Huh?
How much is it?
$10.
10.
I gotta see what kind of damage I did with what I got.
Alright, everything I just made.
You just give it back.
Hell no. We're friends. You ain't paid for shit.
We ain't paid for shit.
Yeah, I don't think I want to pay for shit. We'll let her sell it.
Yeah, let her sell it.
Let her sell it. Can we have
Yeah.
travel?
After inspecting this, I don't think it was ever opened, but the tape looked kind of weird, so I had to make sure it was all in there. I had to sell it open box, which isn't too big of a loss.
Hey, Nance. Tell me how much for all that. It's Will and Deal over here.
Okay.
$3.99.
$3.99.
No.
Is it all in there?
I think so.
Yeah.
It looks like it's like wrapped up or
$5.
something.
It's good. $5.
Okay,
That's nice.
it's cool.
Yeah, that is cool.
Hopefully my son won't get mad.
How much is the jewelry?
Babe,
The earrings are 15 each.
those are good earrings. She didn't wear a lot. Your wife will like them, man. Take a picture, send it to her.
Yeah,
I like the GoPro, man. What do you
appreciate it. Huh?
do? What do you do?
I'm part of the garage sale commission. I just make sure compliance is good and everything.
Okay, cool.
If the prices are too high, I report you, and then. No, I'm just kidding. I have a YouTube channel.
awesome,
Where I go to garage sales and whatnot.
That's badass, dude.
Yeah.
I'll be
I
looking
put
like
on that
Say that.
No, her frame.
my frame.
So
All right.
chaotic.
I got the 5.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I put something on. It goes. You look like a sausage.
We've all been there. Thanks, y'all. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Sorry I couldn't bring home that profit, but you can't win them all. If you like to see me lose, make sure you like and subscribe because I'm doing it every weekend. Until next time, peace out.